Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make baked penne with sausage. Now we're going to start our sauce for a baked penne with sausage. And we're going to do that by adding this. I heated the pan and I cooked the sausage in the pan, and I took the sausage out because you don't want to overcook the sausage. But the pan still has all the delicious sausagey taste and flavors. I added 2/3 of a stick of butter, and that's going to melt. And I'm also going to add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, because it's going to add an extra dimension of flavor. Get that going. And then we're going to add our vegetables, which will make a nice basis for the sauce. And these are the diced celery and diced carrots for nice sweetness and color. And after I put all these in the pan, I'm going to stir it up too. And the diced garlic, red onion and garlic. And I'm going to stir these vegetables and let them cook for a little while. They're cooking, they're bubbling, you can hear the sizzling. And when we come back, we're going to add all of our tomatoes, the tomato paste, and the red wine.